I don't care how great your candles are, if you don't have great photos to showcase your greatness, who's gonna know they're great? Mom? Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. I've been a professional photographer for nearly 15 years, and that is why I thought it would be a great idea to share with you how to make a do-it-yourself light box so you can photograph your candles for $10. You don't need a professional. Wait a minute, now I won't get hired. Why am I doing this video? Aha! Here are the items you're going to need to buy from your local Dollar Tree store. 5 white foam boards, 1 plastic table cover, 1 white poster board, and white duct tape. Here are the tools you'll need to grab from your supply box: a marker, scissors, cutting tool, tape measure, and straight edge. Now, what is a photo light box and why do you need it? A photo light box is a box with translucent sides and a white background, or any other color you choose to use. The light box is intended to be a clean and illuminated empty space with no lines to eliminate distracting and harsh shadows in your candle photography. You ready to get started? Let's go. First thing we're going to do is take 2 of the white foam boards and cut them down to a 20-inch by 20-inch square. These are going to act as our sides. Now that we have cut our foam boards, we now need to make further cuts to our boards so that we can add our diffuser in later. Now, we are going to take our 20-inch by 20-inch foam boards and cut out the center to make a frame. To do that, we're going to measure 2 inches around the entire board and mark out a square so that we can cut that out. You cut that out. No, you cut that out. This is what we should have once it's done. Say cheese! Now that those are done, we are going to set one of those 20 by 20 inch frames aside and grab another foam board and place the other 20 by 20 inch frame in the middle. This is what it should look like. Now let's cut that out. Now we should have 2 20 by 20 inch frames and 1 foam board with an 18 by 18 inch section cut out. The other 2 remaining foam boards are still waiting to be used. Now it's time to take our tablecloth and cover up those cutout sections we created so that we can add our diffuser in our light box. What is a diffuser? A diffuser is a translucent piece of material placed in between a light source and our object, in this case our candle, to diffuse or spread the light evenly to help reduce harsh shadows on our object. And again, our object is our candle. Let's grab our scissors and white tape and let's go. This is what it should look like when you're done. Let's move on. Now the 2 remaining foam boards are going to act as our base and our back, but to get them to stick together, we need to strategically tape them. First, add a piece of tape with some overhang onto one of our foam boards. Then place the other foam board onto the overhang, pressing it against the other foam board, and stick the overhang tape on the back of the foam board like so. Now we have our base and our back taped up. Now it's time to add our 2 20 by 20 inch diffuser sides to our base backing using the same tape overhang technique we just did. Now we have the majority of our board all set up, but it's time to add on the top. There we have it. However, we now need to add in our white poster board to complete our light box. But before we do that, we're going to add in some little slits, which will give us 2 benefits. 1, it will help hold the poster board in place. And 2, more importantly, it will allow us to remove our poster board and replace it with whatever color we want. Cool, right? Let's go. Place your poster board on top and in the middle and mark approximately a 2-inch slit on each end. That should give us just enough room to add in some clips to hold our poster board. I'm going to now lay my poster board on the top wall of my light box, and from the bottom I can easily clip them. So now it's laying right where I need it to be, and I can easily just place my clips here, clip, and I got my other clip here, boom. And now this is what it looks like. I have my poster board in place, and if I want to change it, I just take my clips out, which are up here, take them out, and I can replace it with a black one, a red one, a green one, whatever I want. Sky's the limit. And here we go, our very own light box for photographing our candles, and it only cost us $10. All we need to do is get a light here and here, and if we want, up here, and you can come up with some awesome images like this. how I took those images with an iPhone? Cool, then take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're gonna help you on your candle making and photo taking journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.